A car dealer recorded the miles per gallon ratings of 6 cars, and the results were as follows: 18, 36, 21, 32, 27, and 34. Determine the mean of the miles per gallon ratings. Mean is also often called average. The way that we calculate a mean is by adding up all of the numbers in our list, then counting how many numbers in our list, and dividing the sum by the count. We'll begin by finding the sum of the numbers in our list. I'll write the numbers vertically, and I'll add down the columns to find the sum. 8 plus 6 is 14, plus 1 is 15, plus 2 is 17, plus 7 is 24, plus 4 more makes 28. So I'll write the 8 and carry the 2. 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 3 is 6, plus 2 is 8, plus 3 is 11, plus 2 is 13, plus 3 is 16. So our sum is 168. Notice that I have a count of 6 items on my list. To find the mean, I calculate 168 the sum divided by the count 6. I'll come below to do that division. 6 goes into 16 twice, which is 12. 6 times 2 is 12 with 4 left over. Bring down the 8. Then 6 goes into 48 8 times, evenly. So the mean of the miles per gallon ratings is 28 miles per gallon. The temperatures for the last 6 days were 18 degrees, 5 degrees, -2 degrees, -4 degrees, 9 degrees, and 10 degrees. Determine the mean temperature for the last 6 days. Mean is also often called average, and the way we calculate a mean is by adding up the numbers in our list, counting how many numbers are in our list. Here we have 6 for the 6 days, then dividing the sum by the count. We'll begin by adding up our numbers in our list, so 18 plus 5 added to -2, added to -4, added to 9, and 10. 18 plus 5 is 23, plus -2 is 21, plus -4 is 17, plus 9 is 26, plus 10 is 36. The sum of these 6 numbers is 36. Next, we divide 36 by the count. We have 6 numbers in our list for the 6 days. 36 divided by 6 equals 6. So our mean temperature is 6 degrees for the last 6 days. Your scores on 5 tests were 74, 89, 97, 65, and 95. Find the median score. Median means the middle number in a set of numbers. To find the median, we first put these numbers in order from smallest to biggest. So that list would be 65, 74, 89, 95, 97. Now, since there are 5 numbers in our list, the middle would be the third. So our median is 89. The number of passengers on 6 U.S. Airway flights are as follows: 312, 294, 304, 298, 350, 523. Determine the median of the passengers on the 6 U.S. Airway flights. Median means middle. So to first find the median, we put these numbers in order from smallest to largest. Our smallest number is 294, followed by 298, followed by 304, 312, 350, and 523. Notice we have 6 numbers in our list. When we have an even number of values in our list, we have 2 middle values. To calculate the median, we find the mean of these 2 middle values. So I'll find the mean by adding them and dividing by 2. The sum of these 2 numbers is 616. 616 divided by 2 is 308. So our median is 308. One of the football players in the game ran for 18 yards, -3 yards, 5 yards, -6 yards, 14 yards, -1 yard, and -5 yards. What is the median number of yards he ran? We begin to find median by putting these numbers in order from smallest to largest. The smallest number in our list is -6, followed by -5, -3, -1, 5, 14, and 18. Notice that we have 7 numbers on our list, so the median is the 4th number. -1 yards is the answer. The number of cars sold per month at a dealership are as follows: 12, 21, 33, 21, 33, 21, 24, 31, 20, 27, 32, 24. Determine the mode of the number of cars sold. Mode means the data value which occurs the most. To more easily see the mode, we'll begin by putting these numbers in order from smallest to largest. The smallest number in our list is 12, followed by 20, followed by 21, another 21, another 21, 24, 24, 27, 31, 32, 33, and another 33. Now that they're in order, we can easily pick out the mode, which is 21, because this data value occurred 3 times the most. So our answer is 21 cars. The makes of cars in a dealership are Honda, Chevy, Ford, Honda, Toyota, Chevy, Honda, Ford, Chevy. Determine the mode of the makes of the cars. We'll begin by organizing our list so that we can more easily see how many of each type of car were in the dealership. Honda, Chevy, Ford, Honda, Toyota, Chevy, Honda, Ford, Chevy. We see that there are actually 2 modes because there are the most Hondas and Chevys in this dealership. So we list both Honda and Chevy as our final answer. You made these transactions on your bank account: $225 deposit, $25 withdrawal, $20 deposit, $25 deposit, $35 withdrawal, and a $15 deposit. Find the mode. First, we'll list these numbers in order from smallest to largest. We'll represent the withdrawals as negative numbers and the deposits as positive. The smallest value then in our list is a $35 withdrawal, or negative 35, followed by negative 25, followed by 15, 20, 25, and 225. Notice that each value in our list only occurs once. We can more easily see this now that the list is put in order from smallest to greatest. Because each data value occurs the same number of times, we say that there is no mode.